Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. Hit that subscribe button, leave us a like, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss an episode. Hey, recently I converted a Klutch welding fixture table from a standard table into a 180-degree tiltable table. And here it is. If you haven't seen that video, go back into our videos on our channel, check it out, and bring you up to speed. Okay, now this is a modification on top of that. So we're going to turn this thing into a 360-degree full rotisserie welding fixture table. It's going to be pretty sweet. So I'm disassembling. And before I had just fastened it with wing nuts. Seemed to work fine. Now I have a friend who's a machinist. His name is Lucas. He knocked out these bushings for me. Thank you, Lucas. And you can kind of see where we're going with this. Now we're in the reassembly phase. Basically, with these bushings, we're just going to be moving the legs out about 1 3/4 inches, enough to clear the table, and that'll give us the ability to rotate 360 degrees. Now I went with some yellow zinc hardware, really like that. I really didn't want to make a new spreader bar or any of that, so the bushings will be fine. And yes, I could have painted those black, but anyway. And we're getting it all buttoned up right now. And instead of the wing nuts, I just came back with some nylock nuts. And if we need to put a little more tension on the table, we can always tighten those up a little bit more. Keep it from rotating. And that's the last one. And the money shot. This is going to make this really useful when I have something fixtured up on this, like a motorcycle frame or something like that. Instead of having to only be able to go 180 degrees and then refixture, well, I can spin this thing all the way around now. Really happy with this. Pretty inexpensive table, and I think I've got it to yield a pretty high yield with a little bit of work. And you can do it too. And there it is. That was fabricated out of 2x2 square tubing. The bushings and an 1x1 square tubing spreader. And that was it. It's casters, locking casters on one end. Yeah, really inexpensive, really nice piece of equipment with just a little bit of effort. Hey, make sure you catch all of our videos. Don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Go check out our channel. Hey, and as always, thanks for watching.